All right, we're here. We got Loud and Ugly today. We're about 4 weeks away from the rockin' race. Don't know if I'm gonna make it because I don't know anything about my motor still. So we're waiting to hear about that. Once I find out about that, at least I'll have the truck ready. So we're gonna take this back to the shop. I got some work to do. I'll explain some of that later. Getting some of this gear oil put in here. That way we're ready to not forget about this when it comes time to it. This is from putting that 529 gear in here. I am just now putting gear oil in it months later. And we're gonna roll it up on the trailer and get it home. That was a nasty sound. Well, we've got Loud and Ugly back home and at the shop, so it's out of storage. It's out in the sun, enjoying it. It's been tucked away all winter. So, like I said earlier, I still haven't really had any idea what's going on with the motor. So, hopefully that's ready in 4 weeks when I'm planning on going to the rockin' race. That way, we got a little bit more work to do before the motor gets here anyways. So, got to get some new slicks on there. I'm going to drop the coilovers down because I'm going to be running a taller tire on there so it keeps the stance, the gas air look that I like. Got to pull the exhaust system off. I'm going to add a 6-point to the roll cage so you get to see me do some tubing bending as well. Then there's a couple other things that I wanted to touch up on there, like the wiring for the kill switch. The small things like that have got to get done before it can hit the track and pass tech inspection. So in the next coming up episodes, up until I get the motor, I'll be crack-a-lacking on this truck here. Hopefully that keeps you guys entertained. And then once this thing's running, we'll have a bunch of racing content. And yeah, it'll be super exciting.